If you need your gas burner fixed, you don't need to get a handyman. You don't need to spend money fixing it. Just like mine needs fixing, and I'll put you through on how you can fix yours as I'm about to fix mine. Say bye to messy pots. Let's do this. First, I take off the lids. Here is a black lid and then the other lid. Guys, this gas cooker works almost round the clock. For the past 4 years, it has been very busy. Sometimes this lid wears off, the metals wear off, and they fall into the igniting hole. First, I clean up the lid. This is me cleaning off the lids with the help of a rag. And as you can see, I don't really want to use water because it helps it rust. Then I have a pin. This is a napkin pin, yeah. If you have a needle, you can also use a needle for what I'm about to do. And I go through this lid. Some people's gas cooker have a tinier hole around this particular type of lid where the fire comes out from, or rather where the gas, supply goes out from. Then I clean it off as I also try to clean off the surrounding areas of the burner. And now I'm done cleaning off the area that is inside because there were rusted metals hanging around. The debris were just hanging around inside. I blew them off. You can see this hole. Guys, can you see this hole? I tried to zoom this for you to see. Look at it. There's a hole in here. This is where the gas supply flares from. With the help of this office pin that I stretched, you can use a needle, something tiny, to do that. And I poked into it to clear off the debris. Then let's give it a try to see. Wow, guys, it really worked. Here is the highest burner or the biggest burner of this gas cooker, and it also has a problem. Let me show you guys. So I light it and show you. This is the highest fire that can come out from this. It has had this issue for some time and I haven't been able to come around to fix it. So today, let me show you and fix it as well. I take off the lids just like I did the first time. I clean off the area and I also try to blow off inside. Inside, you can see there are some rusted metal debris inside. I'm trying my best not to use a very wet rag, just slightly wet, just to clean off the area. And with the help of this napkin pin, remember guys, you can use any slim, sharp object, poke into this igniting hole. Look at that hole. I call it igniting hole. That's the word I could come up with at this time. Then I poke it and take it down. Take it down as possible. As long as the needle can go, just take it down, cover up. Let's check it out and see what is going to happen. Let's see what is going to happen. And I clean off the area to be sure everywhere is good. Wow, guys, you see it worked. So this is it. This is the highest it has been able to perform right from when it was bought. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and stay tuned for more.